Goedenavond allemaal. Not hearing the energy. There we go. Goedenavond. Hello. Namaste. On behalf of Aboli's Art Studio, I, Ankita Durrani, welcome you all to Sadhana, a performance that's marking many firsts. The first performance by Aboli's Art Studio in Eindhoven, and the first performance on stage for many of its students. Presented by Guru Aboli Dairkar, who brings her passion and devotion of Kathak all the way from Pune, India to the Netherlands. Today, you will witness devotion, rhythm, emotion, and resilience, all expressed through Kathak. We are going to begin this evening with the Divine. But before we start, I request you all to please keep your mobile phones on silent and maybe aside if you're not using them to take pictures, because today is all about being immersed in this performance. Now, Kathak is an Indian classical dance form that originated in the northern part of India. The word Kathak originated from a Hindi word, Katha, which means story. So the storytellers were called Kathakars, and the dance form became Kathak. Today's show is designed to take you through a journey through the history of Kathak, which is rooted in the temple tradition, which then transitioned to the Mughal court era and finally the contemporary time. Kathak's roots lie in ancient India's temple traditions, where traveling bards and storytellers, or Kathakars, would recite mythological tales and perform dances. Today, Aboli. It doesn't sound right. My script says to say Aboli, but in our Guru Shishya tradition, which is the tradition of the teacher and the student, we always refer to our teachers or our gurus with respect. So further on, I will be referring to her as Aboli Tai, which is older sister or guru in our case. So, today, Aboli Tai and her students will be showcasing a devotional movement of Shiv and Shakti. It is an Indian concept of masculine and feminine energy and its balance. The first performance is the Shiva Drupad by Guru Aboli Dairkar. Aboli Tai will begin the show with the invocation of Lord Shiva. Shiva is a major Hindu deity known for his cosmic and powerful dance Tandav. This composition depicts the vigorous dancing of Shiva, holding an hourglass-shaped percussion instrument called Damaru, whose sound is believed to be the primal sound of creation and the vibrations of universe. This composition narrates Shiva's appearance. He is the cosmic dancer holding a Damaru instrument in hand, a serpent on his neck, the one who has a third eye on his forehead, a crescent moon on his head, and the river Ganga flowing from his hair. He is the creator of dance and at the same time a destroyer. He is the one who believes in gender equality. He is the one who has given half of his body to Shakti, the feminine energy. Aboli Tai presents an Indian classical traditional composition called the Shiva Drupad, choreographed by her guru Abha Vamburkar in the rhythmic cycle of 12 beats, also known as Chautal in Kathak. Thank you.
Teacher,